Good morning, everybody. We have some math work to do today, and we're going to be talking about math fluency. I know usually we talk about fluency in reading, how well we're reading, but we also have fluency in math too. And we're going to be working on combinations that make 10. And it's really helpful to know those so you can do addition facts in your head quickly without thinking, okay? Just kind of knowing them quickly. So I'm looking at a set of dots on one side and a blank side on the other. And what we're going to do is figure out how many dots we have and how many more we will need to make 10. So I've got 10 after the equal sign in my equation. The first thing I want to do is count all the dots and write it in one of the boxes. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to write a 7 in the box. And now I want to count on and draw more dots in the next box until I get to 10. And then I'm going to stop. So I've got 7 in my brain. I want to count on 8, 9, 10. So I did 3 dots. They're not the best dots, but they're okay. So I see 1, 2, 3. 3 more dots will equal 10. So now I know that 7 plus 3 more will make 10. And the way we can check that, we can put 7 fingers, 5, 6, 7, and we can add 3 more to make sure that gives us a full 10. 8, 9, 10. 10. All right, now this one, I know just by looking at it that it's 5. Do you want to know the big fancy word for that? It is called subitizing. So I'm going to write 5 in the box because I know I have 5 dots. Now this one might be a little bit easier if I used my fingers to figure out how many more will make 5. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I needed one more hand of 5 to make 5. Let's try it with dots too. Because with math, it's always good to check and do things in different ways. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. All right, I'm looking at box C. And again, I know there are 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. And I knew that just by looking at them. I didn't have to count, but it never hurts to count. Don't try and do it fast. Just try to do it right. All right, I'm going to write 4 in the box. And now I have to figure out how many more. So this is also kind of like algebraic thinking, isn't it? Because we already have 4 plus some other number will equal 10. Okay, I'm going to start on my fingers and then I'll do it with dots again. I've got 4. I'm going to count on 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if I have this many more, it will mean I need 6 more dots to make 10. And let's double check. There's 4 in the box. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now I'm going to double check and count how many dots I drew. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 4 plus 6 equals 10 is the way that I would read it if I'm reading the equation. In box D, I see 3. I need to figure out how many more will make 10. I'm going to do it on my fingers again, and then I'm going to double check it with my dots. So I've got 3, 1, 2, 3 to start. I'm going to count on 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I have this many more will make 10. Here's 5, 6, 7. So I forgot to write a 3 in my box. I'm going to write the 7 more to make 10, and I'm going to count them out with dots to make sure we are correct. let's count on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, so the equation sounds like 3 plus 7 equals 10. All right, so I don't know how many dots I see. I'm going to count them. Let's use the cursor so you can see a little bit better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to write 8 in the box. So use your algebraic thinking. 8 plus some number will equal 10. What two groups will make 10 with already having an 8? So I'm going to count on 8 in my head, 9, 10. 2 more dots should equal 10. Okay, let's try counting on. There's 8, 9, 10. So 2 more dots will make 10. Our last box is box F. This one, I know that 2 groups of 3 make 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to write 6 in the box. Now, let me show you something a little bit tricky. I'm looking back at box C, and 4 plus 6 equals 10. If I switch them and I do 6 plus 4, that should also equal 10. But because it's math, we want to double check. So I've got 6. Let's count on. 6 in my brain. 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4 more. And that trick worked. For addition, that trick will always work. You can do 7 plus 3 equals 10. And if I flip it, I could read it 3 plus 7 equals 10. 5 plus 5 is the same. Oh, look, I didn't even notice. Box A and box D are the same one. The same groups will make 10. 7 plus 3 and 3 plus 7. Okay. Practice making some groups of your own and seeing if you can switch them every time. Great job, guys.